Welcome back, everybody. Guess what? Today's Sunday and we are going fishing again. We've got Easton coming with us and me. We are riding in the back. Man, Myth, and Legends. Old Uncle Dougie.
Yeah.
And JP.
Yes, sir.
Nice. He's bringing the Lucky shirt. This is our dad's shirt. So we've got a lot of Lucky. Oh my goodness. We just pulled up the
Holy crap.
And there are a few people out there.
A few?
And it's early. I guess it is 8 o'clock.
There's actually people in the dam
a little later.
Last time we were here, there was no one.
That looks very slippery on this side of the lake.
Yeah, it does.
Holy smokes.
No snow on it at all.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why no one's over here.
So,
you can see the wipers hanging out over by these rocks.
What do you think, Easton? What's our goal for the day? Are we gonna
55? We better.
Last week we
better
here.
beat our amount we got last time, or we better get like a huge fish.
Friggin' big old fatty.
Yeah,
I'd take a big fish over numbers.
Fatty.
One of those two.
Yeah.
That's all we need.
So last week we ended up with 54 fish. So we'll see how we do today. I'm guessing with the amount of people that were
at least I guarantee
fishing
we'll
it
have like 30
and really
if it's a
disturbing
good
the
day.
fish, I bet you we'll end up being a little slower. But that's okay. As long as we're catching fish, it's all right. So anyways, wish us luck. Give you another glimpse of the community out there.
The city.
We should give it an area code. Because
The
that's
ice
like,
town.
Right?
Holy smokes. How many?
Where you at?
Count them up.
I'm in the red tent.
1.
What? 2 inches?
It was in somebody else's hole.
I was like, wait, what?
Oh yeah.
I was like, so scared for a second. I was like, what?
Where do you want to be?
There we go. That's what I
more
like
like
to
it. That's more like it. Woo. Yeah. Okay, here we go. We got a mark on. Got a mark. Oh, there he is. Yeah. He's still there. He doesn't feel big, but I got him. Yeah. Oh, he's fighting good now. Oh, shoot. He come up right here. Oh, man. Yeah, long distance release. Ooh, there's a fish on bottom. Oh, got him.
Got him.
Yeah, I got him. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I love it. Let's see him come up. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Perfect, come right off. Oh, don't go down that one. Let's get a picture of this guy.
He's just a baby.
Oh, shoot, Smeagol. Oh, look at the tiger. I think these tiger muskies are like,
dude, yeah, they're
going
messing
at
with
it.
him.
See that?
Yeah, he's
Oh.
yeah. You're in a picture.
You got one, dude?
Yeah.
Atta boy.
Oh. Fighting pretty good right here at the hole.
Oh, he's a good one, dude. What do you think?
I hope I land him.
Yeah. You can do it. Keep it tight. Oh, he's a good one, dude.
Oh, he's stuck on the ice.
You can see him through the ice. Oh, he's a solid fish, dude.
Come here, sucker.
Got to get his head out. He's coming in backwards.
He did the moonwalk on us.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Good job, buddy. Good job, Easton. Right on the lip. Exactly how you like it.
That's how we do.
Dude, that's a solid fish. That is beautiful. Come here, little guy. Let's get that on. Look at that. You just barely got it on his lip.
I like barely felt him.
Good job, dude. Let's get a release on him. See you, buddy. Oh, backwards.
He went backwards.
He knows,
Coming down.
That's awesome. All right, I got one on. There. Got him.
Oh, nice one.
Oh my gosh.
Another one?
Oh, he's a good one.
Doubled up?
Oh my gosh. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah. Solid.
It's like 12 inches.
It's like 12 inches. Whatever, dude. That's a good one. That's chunky. Chunky. Look at that. Look at that. That is so nice. Ooh. Ooh. All right, let's throw him back. Let's throw you back, buddy. Let's get you back so you don't die on us here. Come on. I know you want it. There you go. Come on. These hooks are like a little. Come on. Easton. Oh no, I got it. All right. There you go. Beautiful fish. Probably 17.
I'd say 16.
17. I'm going with
16.
17. That's how it is. Tomorrow
16.
it'll be 18.
That's a 16.
Beautiful. Okay. I can see my lure down here. And oh, there he is. Oh, he swam right by it. I'll hold it still. Ready? He's coming in. He's still there. He's on me. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is.
Oh, there's two.
Oh, does he got me?
No.
No.
There's two of them. Dougie, come check this out.
This is awesome. I wish we could see it better. Got him, huh?
Yeah, I think he swallowed it.
What, the trout magnet?
Yeah. Oh, I got one on my other one.
I'm coming. Get him, Ken.
What?
Oh, he's got him.
Oh my God, it's Oppo.
Get him. Oh no, he's there.
He's there.
Oh yeah, he's there. Reel him in. Maybe it's Easton.
It might be me. He might be caught on both.
Yeah, he's caught on both. He's caught on both. You're gonna have to let
Just open that bell.
Yeah, open yours. And then Easton, you bring it in.
God, it's like he's stuck or something. There we go. Oh, here he comes.
Oh, he's another good one.
He is actually.
He's like
Probably my best one of the day.
Oh man.
Yeah, he swallowed it.
Oh, get up here. Oh my gosh. That is.
Yeah, there's two lines.
For sure. We'll see if we can't get this guy off.
Yeah, he tangled himself around the other one.
Good Good job, buddy. Well, you're stepping on my pole.
Yep.
All right, dude, look at that guy. That's the biggest one today, dude.
Mine was bigger.
Whoa,
No. Probably real close.
dude, that thing's huge. Look at that thing. That's like strawberry-esque. Holy smokes. I barely caught him, too. Dude, I'm telling you, the smelly jelly stuff is working great.
Smelly jelly.
That's a stud fish. You need to stay low so you can actually see it.
Oh.
Cause you're not seeing nothing. There you go.
You got a fish coming in again? Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. No, they're gonna though. Any second now.
I thought I was gonna come over here.
All right, we're gonna get a ice. See how thick the ice is. I might need to
I ain't got no
grab
fish anyways.
Where's the scooper?
The scooper?
Okay, grab the scoop.
What are you doing?
We're gonna see how thick the ice is over here.
Careful now. I don't want to die. That don't sound like fun.
No, it doesn't, does it?
Not today.
All right.
Not today.
All right, go ahead, put it in.
Turn around.
There we go, right there.
Right there.
Right there. Okay. We are at 8 inches.
8 inches.
8 inches of
you
ice.
were right.
Pretty solid.
How far? How much?
8 inches of ice, and it's solid black ice too. It's good. We're not going nowhere. Woo. All right, we're gonna cook up some lunch up. We've got the hot dogs on it. We've got the buddy heater. Didn't know if many of you guys knew or not, but the you can turn the grate upside down, and it sticks out like a grill. So, anyways, we're gonna have some hot dogs here in a minute while we're having a little downtime. Cool.
I saw like some big mess over there.
Dude, that thing like nailed it, like took it out of my hand. Oh, yeah! Heck yeah! Dude, he took it right out of my hands. I was sitting there waiting for him to hook it, and all of a sudden it just ripped it right out. Dude, these are nice fish. I still can't believe the size of these things here. Last year they were just little. Come on. Come on. There we go. Give me my bait back. Although I should just give it to him. Oh, he's got it. I'll give it to him. I love it. Check it out, dude. Yeah. You gotta love it. That's number 8 for me. So we're doing good. Look at that. That's a beautiful fish. All right. Got to turn the hot dogs. We don't want them to burn.
How many's that? 8?
Yeah, I've got 8. I'm catching Easton.
I got at least 9. How many you got? I got 9.
There you go. Okay. We are doing a catch and cook. Catching fish and cooking a hot dog. Gonna love it. So, there you are. Get him, buddy.
I think he left.
No. No.
He did.
Come on, buddy. I come over here and scared him away, didn't I?
It's all your fault.
Uh-huh. It's all right.
Ah.
It'll give us some time to eat this hot dog.
Yeah. Yum.
All right. Dude, we've moved closer to shoreline and the fish. I mean, we're like within 20 feet of the shore and the fish are like hungry over here. We're like getting them good. Dougie's got one over there right now.
Got him. He come off.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Got one of Dougie?
I got him.
Get it, Dougie. Oh, that's a beauty.
Another one.
That's a swamp. Hold on. Watch my poles, Easton. We gotta show everybody this fish. Look at the size of that thing. Oh shoot, I about died. Woo! Holy cow. Dude.
That's a good one.
That is a good one.
Good cut. Where's my other?
Those little They're barbed pretty good, them hooks,
God,
aren't
I think
they?
they are. Too good. There you go.
Beauty.
That is a beautiful fish,
Gonna
dude.
turn into the sun? Yeah.
Let's spin,
yeah.
baby, spin.
Beautiful
my.
fish, Dougie.
Yeah.
Woo!
Woohoo! Take a picture.
Let's see.
There we go.
Nice.
Not bad.
Man, they're all about the same size.
Yeah.
Just
Got him.
oh, boy, he's doing it over there.
Woohoo! He's just a little guy.
Dude, what's up with his
What's up?
gills? His
What
gills
the
are all
heck?
sticking out. That's the weirdest thing I've
What
ever
the heck?
seen.
We should just throw him down.
No, look at his gills. He survives down there without gills, or with his gills hanging out.
That's a weird looking fish.
I wonder how long he'll live. That's crazy.
How do you do that?
Does this make 8? That's 8.
Yeah, is that 11 for you or 12?
It's 11.
We'll call it 8. We don't want to get caught.
There you go.
Here.
I still got shrimp on.
Look at that, though. Dude.
Yeah.
Look at that. Doubled up! Doubled up! Yee-hoo! Yeah! Dude, it's a nice rainbow.
No, there you go. Let's go.
We got triples! We got triples!
Oh my gosh, I hooked him good.
Look at this, dude.
Oh, he's loving that. Is he
Austin! Yeah, he took the hyper leg.
I have been, actually. I can't get that.
Austin, you need to bring your fish over here and we'll get a triple picture.
Just chop it off.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Woo! There we go. Get in here and take a picture.
Right there.
Get in here. Don't choke him. There we go. Yeah! Whoa! Austin, come behind me.
We got the triple.
Austin, where you at, bud?
His is still stuck.
Here we go, all three of us in there.
Good.
One more time. Oh, my foot's in the water. Ready? Yeah!
We did it.
Triples! Woo! Sweet.
All right,
Let him go. Let's let him go.
All right, he's good. Oh! Got me right in the face.
There he goes. Yeah! Oh, team. Oh, that was awesome.
Nice work, man.
Woo. Oh, I got another one over here. 14. Well, this one's a bigger one.
Is he?
Yeah.
Is he a nice one?
Oh, he's a really big one.
Oh, he's pretty.
Oh!
Oh, yeah!
Woo!
GoPro's still recording.
I need
Let's
to have
go.
this one cut off. He swallowed this mother.
Swallow that one whole?
Yeah.
Holy crap, my hands are freezing.
Yeah, he's in there.
Dang,
You have a
good
knife?
birthday.
I can get it really quick.
I can grab it.
Okay, we'll let him go. Dude, beautiful
Nice
colors,
big
aren't they?
fish. Absolutely.
Ooh.
Heck yeah, KP.
Yeah, yeah, boy. We're letting him go. We're letting him go. Here we go.
Let him on out, Pot.
Woo!
Oh, that's a
Dude.
cool shot.
That was so awesome.
That was awesome. Was that Kev?
This is number 15 took us.
15
y'all.
and that's 58.
We got 58 fish for the day. Yeah.
Woo! That's a good one.
Here we go, dude. We're at 59.
Now we gotta get
Dougie,
60.
Dougie, what'd you get? Well, how many's that for you now?
That's 13.
13.
Dude, we're doing awesome now. Woo! What do you think, JP?
Dude, this is an amazing day of fishing, man. I've never seen nothing like this.
Oh my gosh.
Here we go. Going down.
Schmink. Oh, beauty, Clark.
Yeah, buddy.
All right. We need one more for 60 fish. Dude, we did it. We did it. Kind of amazing. Dude. Good job, Dougie. Way to go. That was number 60 for the day.
That was 60.
Dude, good job. Sweet. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us today.
That's
Slayed the
63.
fish. We got 63 fish today. Woo! Yeah.
Yeah.
We did
Till
awesome,
next time, man.
Till next time, tight lines, and we'll see you on the lake.